Most contractors waste hours every week doing estimates the hard way. And the biggest mistake is assuming all estimating software works the same. Here's the truth no one tells you. BuildZact and Stack are both popular estimating tools in 2026, but they solve very different problems. One is built more for residential builders trying to simplify the entire estimating process. The other focuses heavily on digital takeoffs and measurement speed. And choosing the wrong one can slow your business down instead of helping it grow. In this video we'll compare BuildZact and Stack side by side. We'll look at estimating speed, takeoffs, pricing, ease of use, integrations, and which type of contractor should actually use each platform. Let's answer the main question right away. If you want a full estimating and project workflow platform for residential construction, BuildZact usually wins. If your main priority is fast digital takeoffs and measurement accuracy, Stack often wins. But that's only the beginning. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of contractors compare these tools, even though they're not designed exactly the same way. BuildZact is closer to an estimating and construction management platform. Stack is more specialized around takeoffs, plans, and estimating workflows. That difference changes everything. Let's start with BuildZact. BuildZact is especially popular among residential builders, remodelers, and small contractors. The platform tries to simplify the entire estimating process from quote creation to supplier pricing to project management. For example, imagine Alex runs a remodeling company. He needs estimates, purchase orders, scheduling, and client communication all connected together. That's where BuildZact feels strong. You upload plans, create estimates, generate quotes, and manage project workflows inside one ecosystem. The experience feels builder-focused. Now let's look at Stack. Stack is heavily centered around digital takeoffs. If you've ever manually measured blueprints with rulers or complicated spreadsheets, Stack feels like a major upgrade. You upload plans digitally and measure materials directly on screen. This is especially useful for subcontractors handling flooring, roofing, drywall, painting, concrete, and other measurement-heavy trades. Stack is designed for speed and accuracy during estimating. And honestly, this is where many people get confused. They think estimating software is only about pricing. But accurate measurements are often the real bottleneck. If measurements are wrong, estimates become wrong immediately. Now let's talk ease of use because this matters more than feature lists. BuildZact generally feels easier for residential builders who want an all-in-one workflow. The interface is cleaner for project management tasks. Quotes are straightforward. Cost tracking is easier to follow. Stack can feel slightly more technical because takeoff software naturally requires more precision and setup. But here's the problem. Many contractors buy powerful takeoff tools and never fully learn them. This is where most people fail. They watch one demo, assume it's simple, then abandon half the features after 2 weeks. Software only saves time if your team actually adopts it. So, simplicity matters. Now let's discuss estimating speed. This category depends heavily on your workflow. If your estimates depend on detailed blueprint measurements, Stack is extremely strong. For example, Jake owns a flooring company. Every project depends on accurate square footage calculations. Stack can dramatically reduce manual measurement time. That directly impacts profitability. But if your workflow includes client proposals, selections, supplier costs, and broader project management, BuildZact may feel more complete. Now here's where it gets really important. BuildZact tries to bridge estimating with overall project execution. Stack stays more focused on estimating efficiency. That creates a completely different experience. One platform manages broader business operations. The other specializes more aggressively in takeoffs and estimating workflows. In a minute, I'll explain which software usually creates fewer headaches for smaller contractors, because that answer surprises a lot of people. But first, let's discuss integrations. Both platforms support integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks. Both also help streamline estimating workflows. But BuildZact often appeals more to builders wanting an operational ecosystem. Purchase orders, scheduling, and project tracking all connect more naturally. Stack focuses more heavily on plan analysis and estimating precision. This difference matters depending on how your business operates daily. Now let's talk mobile functionality. Construction teams increasingly expect mobile access in the field. BuildSact supports mobile workflows reasonably well for builders managing projects and estimates. Stack also supports cloud-based access, but its strongest workflows are usually desktop-centered because detailed takeoffs are easier on larger screens. That's not necessarily a weakness. It's simply the reality of blueprint measurement work. Now here's where most buyers make a mistake. They buy software based on feature count instead of business type. For example, John owns a custom home building company. He needs estimating tied directly into broader project management. BuildSact likely fits better. Meanwhile, another contractor mainly performs subcontracted drywall bids, requiring rapid takeoffs across dozens of projects. Stack may save more time there. Different businesses need different workflows. Now let's talk pricing. Pricing changes frequently in software, especially in 2026. But generally speaking, Stack can become more expensive, depending on team size and advanced estimating needs. BuildSact also uses subscription pricing, but many smaller builders view it as more accessible for all-in-one workflow management. Here's the important thing though. The software that saves the most estimating time usually creates the best return on investment, even if monthly pricing looks higher. For example, if software helps you complete estimates twice as fast, bid more projects, and reduce costly mistakes, the subscription cost becomes much easier to justify. That's the bigger picture many contractors miss. Now let's discuss learning curve. BuildSact usually feels easier for contractors transitioning from spreadsheets. The workflow feels more intuitive for general residential construction management. Stack has a steeper learning curve if you've never used digital takeoff software before. But once users learn the system properly, estimating speed can improve dramatically. This is where patience matters. Many contractors quit too early before software delivers real efficiency gains. Now here's the final comparison. Choose BuildSact if you want estimating connected to broader residential project management. Choose Stack if your business lives and dies by fast, accurate takeoffs and competitive bidding. Neither platform is universally better. They are optimized for different priorities. And honestly, that's the most important thing to understand. Software should match your workflow, not force you into someone else's workflow. Now let's wrap this up clearly. BuildSact is usually better for residential builders wanting a simpler, all-in-one estimating and management platform. Stack is usually stronger for contractors focused heavily on blueprint takeoffs, measurement accuracy, and estimating efficiency. The best option depends on whether you value broader project workflows or specialized estimating power. And before buying either one, test your actual estimating process inside the platform first. Because the best software demo in the world means nothing if it slows your real projects down. If this comparison helped you decide between BuildSact and Stack, hit the like button, subscribe for more contractor software reviews, and comment below with the estimating tool your company currently uses.